We are in the last 2 minutes. The Ginebra faithful trying to come alive, chanting Ginebra, trying to pump up their team. A last stand, perhaps, as Castro orchestrates. They go to McCullough, who will drive to the basket and miss, but get fouled as well.
Don't think it
Yes,
the court.
that's right.
I'm looking at McCullough. He looks a bit tired as well. Pagod na rin.
Remember, he scored 44 points in the previous game. But this guy certainly has a lot more energy than anyone on the floor.
Being guys like Kunga, as you said, and Abis
Right.
this long in the game, and trying to fight back. Coach Chot, on the other hand, bringing back in Pogoy at a certain point with those 4 fouls or leaving him in earlier. Sana couldn't shoot, but he let him play hanggang nakuha niya yung tira niya.
Pagoy.
Iba talaga utak ng mga coaches eh.
Talaga. So, walang ano.
Against Pagoy.
There's another hook shot. JB keeps plugging away, down to 8 again.
And it's Pagoy once more defending him.
So he's going straight at Pogoy once more. Also,
That was the script in the first period.
Castro into the paint, the kick to McCullough, extra pass to Oftana. A miss. Here comes Ginebra with 1:07. Abis inside to Aguilar, take it away. Oftana had a similar pass like that in game number 3. Diba?
Big.
Mahabol na sila.
Big turnover.
Yeah.
With less than a minute to go in this game.
And you heard that sigh from the crowd. The Ginebra faithful, parang sayang naman. Castro. That's a foul on BGR.
Playing the finals. This is elimination.
Not making excuses. Hindi tayo, we're not the rep of John Abis.
No, but,
Another miss.
This is gonna be good long term in his career.
Some of the fans have given up, Dean and Coach Jong, as they head out. But the 2 misses. So a quick
Rebound here by
basket.
Japet.
Cool will try to bring it across.
score a 4.
Are they looking for a 4?
They're trying to go to
There's a
Abarientos,
foul.
and they're gonna say it's a game. Lagi
Eh,
yung mahabol yung kalaban.
Every game, they find a way.
Matchups between these two teams. Pinanalo ng TNT every one of those face-offs.
Right.
And of course, we remember Ronde Hollis Jefferson. He gets that one to go. It's down to 6. 31 seconds left.
Sayang.
And TNT just trying not to be careless here. As Oftana is fouled by Ralph Koo.
Yep.
Wala. No recourse na ang Barangay Ginebra. They needed to couldn't get the steal, and time was ticking for Barangay Ginebra. And for TNT, credit their defense.
11-6 para kay Calvin Oftana. 12 points and 6 rebounds. Not a great bounce back, but enough of a bounce back mula sa kanyang horrible Game 3 performance. But this guy's been quiet dito sa second half. Abarientos passed it to Abis, tapped out of... And now more of the faithful are leaving. They're getting up, heading...
McCullough only had 11 points at the end of
Ang
3
important.
quarters.
That's right. Biglang
Oh,
humataw.
yeah.
Ng TNT. Yung rebounding, yung second chance points. And tapos holding also Barangay Ginebra to less than 20 assists in this game. When Ginebra is averaging more than 20 in the finals.
Swerte rin tong TNT. They started missing free throws late in the game already. Sunod-sunod ng mintis nila. But that's enough to get...